We're really excited to be here today. Today is our move-in day, so staff is working really hard to get things set up, get us ready to go for our June 1st grand opening. We'll have adult daycare here, a senior center here, and 2 child care. So that helps us keep everything intergenerational and community-based. This is a great place for seniors to interact and get together and meet people with like interests and develop hobbies together and maybe find some new things that they're interested in. Well, here at Lewinsville, we'll have the congregate meal program where we'll be able to feed the seniors. Also, we'll have a billiards room, we'll have ping pong, and we also have a fitness room here to help meet fitness goals and stay in shape and keep seniors on the move. And also laptops for technology needs to help the seniors kind of adjust to changing technology and keeping them up to speed on everything that's going on in the world of technology.
The Lewinsville Adult Day Healthcare Center is a state-of-the-art adult day healthcare center, and it has so many special features. It has an indoor walking path so that even in bad weather they can get exercise. They have exercise class every day, and so we keep them mobile as long as possible. We also have a very peaceful outside garden that has a fountain that they can just peacefully listen to the bubbling fountain. It also features a wonderful arts and crafts room and do intergenerational activities there. They can also pursue their own hobbies that they've pursued for many years, or they can learn new ones. As we age, our health needs change, and one of the wonderful things about the adult day health care is we have a clinic and we have 2 nurses that monitor people's health, and we can catch things early and draw attention to it so that they can get medical help with their physician. We're excited for the community to come and join us for the grand opening celebration and the ribbon cutting for this wonderful facility, this intergenerational facility that's part of your community. Please come join us on June 1st at 10 a.m. For more information, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov and search Lewinsville Grand Opening.